Okay, so now we're gonna work on getting this wiper blade changed. I was looking up kind of how to do this because I really don't know. They said to pull this off, but this one just folds back, so it looks like this one just stays there, and this allows you to play with this guy. And what it sounds like is you just kind of bend it like this. Let's see if I can show you from above. Take it like this, and you just a little light pressure, pulling back towards me, and it just comes right out. Let's see what it looks like. Hard to do this while holding the camera. Yeah, so it just, I see. So that's what the piece looks like, and it just clips right into there. All right, I'll go to the workbench and we'll get the insert replaced. All right, so we got it off, and I was just looking at this, and both ends don't really have an opening to get it out, so I'm gonna go ahead and just try and grab onto it with some pliers and just see if I can work it out. There we go. Just slide it right out. So I can, just grab it with your hand there. All right, just get it right off of there. Okay. So there it is. All right. So I got my old blade, my new blade next to it. Yeah, it looks like both ends are exactly the same. So, dust here. Okay. Same deal. Let's just get the little metal pieces out. Get those right in there. You just slide it right in. Yep. Get it in there nice and snug. All right, flip it over. It's almost done here. Get those in. Just fit it right into that. Fit it right into that little groove and slide it right in. Get it started, and then just keep it working it down until it's in there nice and flush, nothing sticking out. All right, now we just figure out how to get it slid back in here. I'm just going to do this real time. I think it's as simple as just lining it up. Oh, you know what I bet? Well, let's just try this. Okay, so I'll get that lower piece lined up. There we go. And you just, once you get it going, then you just like the other ones, get it right in there. Slides right in. Keep it going. Pull it here. Last one. Right up to the end. You just want to make sure they're both within these end pieces right here. Looks pretty good. Flex is good. Looks really good. Let's go put it back on the vehicle and be done. Okay, so now we're just going to put this back together the way we found it. So that little circular piece is going to go right into this groove first. Let's see if I can do this while I'm filming. Okay, so you just push it as far in there as you can, and then come around this way. You can see those little clips fit right into the body. So now you just push right in. There, clipped right in. Not the best camera work, but you get the idea. First get that circular piece in, and then you just squeeze it this way, and it'll pop right in. And then we just set this guy down. That's good. And we put back this piece. It's on there good. All done. All right, hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.